In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add pivots to your Tradingview chart. First, open your charts in Tradingview. With your chart visible, look toward the top toolbar and click the indicators icon. The one that looks like a graph. In the search bar that appears, start typing Pivot Point Standard. Under Built-ins, select Pivot Point Standard to add it to your chart. Instantly, you'll see a central P line along with stacked support levels labeled S1 through S5 and resistance levels labeled R1 through R5. These levels are automatically calculated and update as you move through different symbols or time frames. Think of the P line as the reference point. Price trading above it suggests a bullish bias for that period, while trading below hints at a bearish tilt. The S and R lines mark areas where price has historically paused or reversed. To make these lines fit the way you trade, open the Pivot Point Standard settings. Start with the time frame used for the calculations. By default, it's set to daily, which works well for intraday charts. If you prefer a broader view, switch it to weekly or monthly. Weekly pivots can be helpful for swing trades, and monthly pivots are great for big picture context on higher time frames. Remember, this setting controls how the levels are derived, not the chart timeframe you are viewing. Next, choose the pivot type. Traditional is the classic formula many traders start with. Fibonacci pivots space levels using Fibonacci ratios, which can highlight areas where momentum may slow or accelerate. Camarilla produces tighter, more numerous inner levels that some mean reversion and breakout traders like. There are others available too, so pick the one that aligns with your strategy and test for consistency across your symbols. Finally, reduce visual clutter so your chart stays readable. In the settings, lower the number of pivot backs to limit how many prior periods lines you see. Setting it to show only the current period focuses your attention on what matters now, especially on smaller screens or when combining pivots with other tools. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.